Welcome to Cornell Cooperative Extension's Choose Local Fish, Local Seafood Cooking Demonstration videos. By choosing locally harvested seafood, you can be sure your food is fresh, indigenous, sustainable, and healthy. Get ready to explore new, healthy, and simple ways of cooking well-known local fish, and also get adventurous with new flavors and textures of some lesser-known but just as delicious local fish. Let's join Stephanie in the kitchen.
So we're going to be making a fish sandwich using skate wings. So here we have the fish that's already been cleaned. Now, skate has kind of a scallop-like texture. I find that the best way to eat this is in a sandwich. So I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to actually cut the wings into smaller pieces, depending on the size of the wings. So here we've got 3 pieces. I'm going to toss it in the bowl here. And we'll do the same with this one. You can also grill it if you prefer. And now I'm going to take some grapeseed oil and I'm going to put it in my pan so I can start to heat that up while I bread the skate. I'm going to heat that up. That's on a medium. So now I'm going to take some olive oil. I'm going to douse my skate wings. So normally when you do anything breaded, people typically use egg and oil and flour. I like to simplify things. So I'm just using oil. You don't need egg. And then I'm going to take some breadcrumbs here. These are gluten-free seasoned breadcrumbs, but you can actually use cornmeal and you can season your cornmeal, or you can use regular breadcrumbs, whatever you fancy. So now we're gonna cook these skate wings, and I'll just put them to the side as the oil is heating up. There we go. So let's start putting them in. The oil is heating up nicely. Okay, so here we have our pan-fried skate wings. It kind of looks like a chicken cutlet, to be honest with you. And what we're gonna make now is our salt. Our skate, avocado, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. And I'm gonna throw a little red onion in there. So follow me. So let's just cut our accoutrements. Just cut this end off here. Avocado set up. So for this, I'm going to use just some bread. This is gluten-free bread. You can use any bread. You could also do it on a burger bun. I'm going to put our skate on here, just like so. Put a little onion. Tomato, put our avocado like that. I can scoop it in just like so. I'm going to add a little mayonnaise to this as well to give it some added moisture like a regular BLT. We've got some mayo on it. We're gonna now grab some lettuce and put the lettuce on top. And there you have it. So, beautiful thing. Let's see what it tastes like. I personally think this is the only way to eat skate.
Thank you for choosing local fish. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, please check out the description below for links to more information about local fish species, more recipes, where you can purchase this local fish, and a lot more. Thank you.